Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Are you tired of losing those amazing filters that you see in other users' stories? Well, we've got good news for you. In this video, we'll show you how to save filters from stories in just a few easy steps. First, open up your Instagram app on your Android device. Next, go to another user's story and tap the filter's name underneath their username. This will open up the option menu. Now, you have two options. You can either save the filter instantly or select Try it to test it out. If you want to save it, just tap the Save button. It's located at the bottom of the screen when you open the camera again. And that's it. You've successfully saved a filter from a story. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can now save your favorite filters from stories and use them for your own posts. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments below how it goes. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.